All right, what's up, guys? We're here with Swaggy G Mason, Swaggy G Colton, and Swaggy G Michael. We're gonna be doing some cool stuff for you today, and I think it's on Outdoors Everyday channel. And make sure to like and subscribe because this is gonna be some good stuff.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. What's he doing?
I don't know.
Oh yes, Nate, yes, Nate, yes.
Oh shit! Oh man, bro.
Gonna knock his head off. Oh my god. Holy shit, both feet. Where'd you go? I love sugar. Yeah, he loves sugar. Oh yeah, yeah. I love sugar. Yeah, sugar.
Sugar's good for you. Make sure you eat it every meal.
And don't brush your teeth.